Stop it. Get some help.
What's going on, Daytona fans? It's Kevin here, and I just filled up Titan. She's good to go for how many ever miles I end up driving with this tank of gas. But what I really want to talk about today is filling up your tank. A lot of people, and I see this all the time, once the fill stops and you hear that click, a lot of people give it a few more squeezes. Whether it's to give that, you know, that dollar amount an even number, whether it's to give that gallon an even number. I don't know why people do it, but you shouldn't, because it's flooding your evap system. Not only that, if you keep filling, if you keep squeezing that gas nozzle, eventually that gas is going back into the gas station, because it's built so you don't overfill your tank. Your car is built that way, and that gas pump is built to take back any excess gas to prevent, obviously, gas dripping on the floor and fire starting and all that stuff. But more importantly, don't do it because you're ruining your car. You're ruining parts of the car that's designed to take the gas vapors and measure all these things, and you're flooding it. That's what the evap system is designed for. You're going to flood your system, you're going to get your check engine light, and you're going to end up paying out of pocket for these parts to get replaced, because once you take it to the dealership and they figure out that it's flooded with gas, game over. You know, they'll know that you overfilled it. So save yourself some money, stop giving money back to the gas station, and stop clicking once the first click stops. All right, that even number of gallon or dollar amount, it's silly to have. It makes no sense whatsoever. I don't know why people do it, but once that first click stops, that's it, guys. Don't hurt your car by squeezing it a few more times. You're not getting more gas in the tank, and you're not saving yourself any money. All right, Daytona fans, that's it for this video. I hope you all have a great one. See you in the next one. Peace.